7th of December, civil defense in Karachi?
No. The reason was the regular police force, and that was not an action. So how could civil defense be? So it was again, these are very unusual situations. What happened on the 27th?
Sometimes the private security agencies are involved in bank robberies. So how do you manage that? Private security agencies.
When we issue licenses to security agencies, normally the company that owns that agency, it's their responsibility, and we go through their past record also. The person before employment, we have to see which area does he come from and what is his background, was he in government service, does he have any criminal record. So after going through all these reports, only then they appoint somebody. But again, they are humans, both, and sometimes they have a good previous record, but they involve into such activities maybe because of greed. So then we can only take punitive action, that action against them and action against the company which hired those. So we cancel their licenses. That is all actually.
Okay, we are short of time, but is there anything that they are representing the government, they are very senior officials, law and order of this province, उसके हवाले से और आप वायलेंस के खिलाफ काम कर रहे हैं, कुछ कहना है? Anyone who wants to,
So I want to question you that isn't our government, our police force, rangers, and everything which come under the government so much affected that we needed investigators from outside to investigate on the problem of the 27th December? Weren't they so much affected on that day that they noticed everything?
Again, depends basically on the profile of the case. They are pretty capable, and main reason is not their expertise, but the thing that is required is the technical expertise and equipment also. Unfortunately, we in Pakistan, we are short of forensic labs, other reports. You must have watched such movies on TV. The way FBI works, they find a small piece and then they trace it back. We don't have actually no database, no such equipment. So that is why looking at the profile of the case, and then especially when people raise doubts upon the quality and rather integrity of the local force. So just to make it more transparent, you have to involve people from outside so that people.
So have you made any law and orders to overcome all these things for the future?
What things particularly?
I mean, any political party is giving any kind of session and all these bombardings which happens. Have any law and order been made for all this?
This situation, again, is a very extreme case scenario which is happening here in Pakistan, is suicide bombing. And obviously it is not going to be handled at our level, not on provincial level, not even on a federal level. The very top, you have to basically look through the problem, that where has it come from, and maybe now with the change of the government, they find, there are two ways to tackle the problem, either through force or you tackle it politically. The general standard procedure is you try to suppress it through force, but that didn't work probably. So maybe now they go for some other alternate solutions, maybe through dialogue, through discussion or political solution, and let's all hope that it works now.
Just a last question.
Sir, my question is, how do you handle policemen who are corrupt and who take bribes?
We have procedures, this is not, police is not, corruption again is everywhere in our country, from bottom to top, rather top to bottom. So there are laws, if somebody is actually found doing something wrong, then we have 2-3 actions, removal from disciplinary actions and arrests also